you ain't in control of my safety.
Have you got some ID, sir?
You ain't getting no ID.
Okay, all right. You what are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing illegal.
Okay. You're okay.
Yeah, I'm
fine.
great. I can't hear you. I'm right here, Daddy. This ain't no traffic stop. You can't bully me. This ain't no traffic stop. Stop with your bullshit. I know my rights. I'm right here, baby. I'm good.
Sir,
you see how big I am?
It's dangerous. You need to step over here.
I'm in control of my safety.
Yes, sir. For your safety,
hey, where you 6 foot at? Don't touch me. Hey, watch out now.
Step over here.
You can't be touching me.
Yeah, step on the other side of the road.
You understand? I'm recording you right now.
Yes, sir. I know that.
What the fuck are you doing?
Stand over there.
Are you fucking stupid?
I don't want you.
Are you fucking stupid? You gotta be stupid for touching me.
I might be. I don't know.
You know that's a lawsuit, right?
I want you to stand over here.
Just like you talking about putting him back in my damn truck. I know my rights, dude.
I don't want to get hurt, and I don't want you to get hurt.
Then you should have stayed in your fucking car.
Okay, well, I can't do that. I got a call out here to see
you didn't get this ain't a traffic stop, though, buddy. You know better.
Look, I got a call out here. I'm on a call, all right?
You don't push me, though. You don't do that.
Yes, sir. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want to be safe,
sir.
Listen,
you ain't in control of my safety.
Have you got some ID, sir?
You ain't getting no ID.
Okay, all right. What are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing illegal.
Okay. You're okay?
Yeah, I'm great, man.
Okay, all right.
You're not going to be great when I sue your fucking ass for touching me.
All right, you can't
That's
use
unwanted touch.
on
Unwanted touch.
You can't use
I'm
profanity.
on public property. I can cuss all day long. It's called free speech. I know my rights.
You're wrong, and I'm trying to explain
I'm not wrong.
So just don't
I know better. I know better.
I know better.
I know better.
All right, I'm trying to tell you the statute.
I know.
You can
I
talk
know
over
it.
me.
I know it.
You can talk over me if you want to. That's
Because you're a
fine,
dumbass. That's why.
Look, sir.
You touched me. That's what pissed me off. You shouldn't have touched me.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to get hurt.
I don't care about what you want. I'm in control of my safety.
All right. Well,
that's an unwanted touch, and I can press charges on your dumb ass.
Well, you do whatever you need to do, sir. I just want you to be safe.
Touch
okay,
me.
buddy?
You're fucking stupid, man. Right. You shouldn't have never touched me.
Now, I got a call out here.
Call for service. Do your job then.
Okay.
Investigate.
Okay.
You see what we doing? That's what we've been doing the whole time.
Y'all, what are you doing?
Filming.
Okay. All right.
Illegal protected activity.
Okay.
And you're gonna push me.
Sir, you keep going back to the
because that pissed me off and you had no right to touch me.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm trying to get
you sorry my ass? You wasn't sorry when I told you to stop 3 times.
Once we got over here, are we okay now?
3 times. No, we're not okay.
Yes, we're
No, we're not okay because you touched me.
Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, and you don't want to give me any information?
You're not getting nothing. You was fine until you put your hands on me, sir.
Sir, you can
What's your name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
ID number.
Yeah, I don't have an ID number.
What's your name then?
Little. It's right here.
Little. So you don't even know what side it's on?
No, I don't. Because
you don't wear it every day?
Sometimes I wear this uniform, sometimes I don't.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. I don't work every day.
So now you can get your dumb ass right back in your car and let me do what I come here to do.
Okay, that's fine.
Right.
All right. Have a good day.
Yep.
Be careful.
Yep.
Get hurt, all right?
You know you're going to hear from you touching me like that.
Sir,
I don't care. Listen.
You can't stand
I'm in control of my safety.
You see this truck?
I see that truck. That's what they're supposed to do. I'm a pedestrian at this point.
Sir, you're on the side. You're in the roadway. If you go over there 25 feet, you're out of the roadway. You can't be out here.
I'm not going out there 25 feet.
You're impeding traffic.
You just did that, not me.
No, he didn't.
You was on that side. He seen you first.
I know.
And if he can't see my big ass, something's wrong.
Look, sir.
Just get back in your car.
Okay. All right. Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, kick rocks. Touching me. Fucking crazy. Out your damn mind. Take that with you. All right, y'all know what to do, guys. Y'all give me some love. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. Make it look like this. And always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.